Happy hot. I don't know.
Hey, I'm Cameron.
I'm Clint.
Today we have a new holiday Frappuccino from Starbucks. It's the new Chestnut Praline Frappuccino. You can get this as a latte or a Frappuccino. You know, we gotta go Frappuccino.
Gotta go Frappuccino.
So this is like they have some coffee, they mix it with the Frappuccino, and then they use a caramelized chestnut syrup.
Caramelized chestnut syrup.
They're getting fancy with the syrups.
Man, that sounds crazy. I don't think I've even ever had a chestnut.
And then we got whipped cream, and then it's praline crumbles. We've had praline stuff before. It's like sugary nuts. Let's try this thing out.
Ready? Huh.
I'm getting a distinct buttered popcorn jelly belly flavor.
Butter popcorn jelly belly. I was trying to put my finger on it. I've had this flavor before. What is it?
I would take 4 buttered popcorn jelly bellies and a cappuccino one.
I'm not getting any coffee. I'm getting toffee, not coffee.
I'm getting both. It's sweet. I mean, it's not too bad.
4 buttered popcorn jelly bellies and a butterscotch.
I'm gonna get a finger scoop of this whipped cream and sprinkles.
Praline, sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon sprinkles.
That's pretty good, actually. It's really good.
That is pretty good. Tastes like the holidays.
Mm-hmm.
I would say if you're like us and don't know what chestnuts taste like, you'd be pleased with the taste of chestnuts if that's what they taste like. Buttered popcorn jelly bellies. You're as old as you can get and drink one of these?
I don't know. I just feel like we're the maximum age that you should order a chestnut praline frappuccino from Starbucks on a scale of 1 to 37.
32 out of 37.
24 out of 37.
Thanks for tuning in to the 2-minute reviews.
On the road!